Hi everyone. So today we are going to see Discovery and CMDB tour. So before we start, when I take the course, you can have to practice along with me so that you can get a good understanding. So let's get into the video. So I am just going into the ESX server. So these are the CAs are present in the servers. I just before I delete it, I just going into the discovery home. I'm just planning to delete the servers. I just show you the discovery, how the discovery home uh, values are present. So if I open the discovery home, so I can see the schedules, what are the schedules are there, what are the discovered devices are there. So I just delete these devices because these are all the discovery devices. If I delete these discovery devices, the in the discovery home you can able to see no records in the server. So I am deleting. So you cannot see the 9 records are there, right? So you cannot see the 9 records after I delete this. So I'm refresh it. So you can see no devices are discovered. So this is the thing we can able to monitor. Okay, so now I am going to show you discovery home and dashboard. So the dashboard is showing some kind of uh, values like what are the discovered devices are ready in the once it's discovered, what are all the things are undiscovered. So we can able to check deep diver for every CIs. So here we can do the configuration the right side. So what how the dashboard CIs should be populating. Here the discovery dashboard also we can change the other type of dashboards like it will be containing incident problem change, add other asset related records. So those kind of dashboard we can able to customize it using this one. So now I can show you the dependency view. So I just going for the native UI. So here I am just typing the Windows server. So I'm just going for a Windows server. So in this Windows server I type a OWA, sorry, yeah, OWA. So because this is a kind of server which is runs on the storage devices. Uh, so I just click the dependency view map. You can see in the particular Windows, if I open particular Windows server, the Windows server is runs on the particular virtual machine, that is VMware, so that it's showing us a runs on runs. So Windows server is running in the VMware, so it's showing us like this. So if I uh, click horizontal map, it will showing us the horizontal view. So in this kind of map, if I open the application, so server sorry, Outlook service, web service. So you can see when inside the Windows server you have the Outlook web access. So in the web access is containing some branches, so email server branches. So if I want to filter it only the Windows server related type only, Windows server CI type only, so I just filter it, remove the filters, and then I can see only I want to see only Windows server. I need to disable the other things. I can make the Windows server enable it. So I can see the Windows server which is connecting with the Outlook web access. So Outlook is also the service which is related to Windows server. So if I click I remove filtered items, so I can see only two of the things. So now I can show you the health dashboard. This is a health dashboard means that is for every CI, the we should need to check the health of the CIs. CIs means a configuration item, I mean any other machine. So we should need to enable all the completeness, correctness, compliance, and the relationship things. Once we enable it, we can see CMDB health dashboard. Here we can see. So this is the class in today. So let's see you on the next video. Please be connected. Uh, let's see. Thank you.